What's happening?
What's happening? Oh, this is a long one, I think, actually. It's not gonna be. We'll have the top right here.
But then you couldn't put the paint in. Does it need more paint or should we stop it? Whoa, Nellie. What happened?
Ooh.
It's still pretty cool, isn't it? Ooh,